Hey friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good and I hope you all are safe. And welcome back to a fresh, amazing, exciting and bang on episode of Vehiculopedia. So friends, as you all know, Aprilia has launched their much awaited maxi scooter which is SXR 160, and as many of you have seen, lots of rumors were shared here and there about its spotting, leaking of spec sheet, price, etc. And now after its official release friends, scooter is getting very overwhelming response. By the way, I have already made a video on the Aprilia SXR 160 much prior to its launch. Whatever the speculation I have made in that episode about it, let me tell you that it is almost correct. So if you have not watched that video, I'll put it on the I section. Must watch that video too. Now friends, coming back to this episode, people who are looking for having this scooter were confused between this and the Suzuki Burgaman Street. So here comes the quick comparison between these two models. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Friends, starting with the first factor, as you can see, both of the scooter tries to capture the fancy of spectators, mostly the youth in terms of the style and cruising in terms of the driving. But in this aspect, I think the Aprilia performs considerably better. See, with 12-inch wheels and a longer wheelbase, it is dimensioned very well, while the Suzuki on the other hand looks oversized with its 12-inch front and 10-inch rear wheels combo and longer rear handrail too. But for sure, that doesn't mean that Suzuki Burgaman is not a good looking scooter, but in this aspect, I think the SXR tends to appear much balanced. Now moving on to the next factor, in terms of the technology, both of the scooters are quite equivalent if you see on the papers. LED headlamps and tail lights, the telescopic front suspension with the combo of monoshock rear suspension and front wheel disc brakes are also available in both of these maxi scooters. But the Aprilia again offers the extra value with single channel ABS. Friends, neither of these two sadly has an additional fuel filler cap, which is the external one, which is somewhat surprising but definitely not so disappointing factor for me actually, which will distract me to buy any of these scooter. But what do you think? Let me know by commenting down in the comment section. Also friends, must subscribe to my channel if you have not done it already. It would be really awesome. So the LCD digital instrument console is also available for both of these maxi scooters, but the one on the Aprilia SXR 160 is larger and pretty much easily readable too. Both these scooters get a mobile charging point, which is an useful option for the convenience purpose. The Bluetooth compatibility is also provided by the Burgaman 125, while the SXR 160 provides this feature as an additional option. Now friends, moving ahead with the next factor, the powertrain as the matter of concern. I think in this aspect there is a massive gap between these two machines. Just look, the Aprilia SXR 160 is powered by a single cylinder air-cooled 160cc engine that produces a peak power of 10.9 PS and a peak torque of 11.6 Newton meters. That's okay. Now on the other hand, the Suzuki Burgaman Street has a much smaller 124cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine with 8.7 PS of power and 10 Nm of torque on board. So one of these particular factors will make your mind to buy any of these scooters for sure. And the second one I'll tell you when I'll give the final factor, which is the most important factor among all of these. And as you know, this 125cc in the Suzuki Burgaman Street is almost the same engine which Suzuki usually uses for most of its fellow scooters. Now moving ahead to the final but most important factor. So the SXR 160 is valued at rupees 1.25 lakh rupees by Aprilia, while the Suzuki Burgaman 125 was comparatively more affordable at rupees 81,100. But the Burgaman definitely seems to be a sustainably better value for money. But as I said earlier about the most important factor, that the Aprilia excuses its higher price tag with the larger engine and a better equipment overall. If you ask me, I think you should certainly go for the SXR 160 if your budget permits. So friends, that's all about this video. Did you like this video or not? Please do let me know in the comment section. Also by hitting the like and share button. Also must subscribe to my channel as lots of interesting videos are stacked up. So thanks a lot for watching. Be safe, have fun. You're watching Vehiculopedia with me, Piyush, and I'll catch you in the next one.